In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Zalora account. First of all, launch open Zalora application. You can see over here Zalora application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, sign up and log in. Make sure sign up option is selected. Now you can either continue with Facebook, Google or email address. Tap on the option of your choice. If you want to continue with email address, tap on the field of email address. Now what you have to do is provide your email address over here. Likewise, create a password for yourself. Make sure to create a very strong password. Now after you create the password, what you have to do is enter your first name. Simply type in your first name. Now you can also enter the birthday if you want. It is completely optional. Now what you have to do is select the preferred style update. You'll be able to find two options, women and men. Tap on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply check on this box that you can see on the screen. You basically will get $20 off on your first haul if you check on this box. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on this option, confirm and continue, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to verify your email address. A 6-digit OTP has been sent to your email. Open the Gmail application. You can see over here, Zalora has sent me the email. Tap on it. Now in this email, you'll be able to find the OTP. Simply memorize this OTP, or you can also tap on the copy option if you want to copy it. Now go to the application. Now what you have to do is simply enter the OTP over here. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you've successfully created an account. So like this, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. So that is how you create Zalora account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.